Guys, my name is Juan and I'm here at JTech today, and I'll be showing you how to use a micrometer and a dial indicator. So I'm going to tell you the parts of the micrometer. This right here is the frame. This is the anvil. This right here is the spindle. We have the lock. That way you don't lose your measurement. This is the sleeve, the barrel. And this over here is the ratchet down here. And those are the parts of the micrometer. I'll be showing you how to read the numbers on a micrometer. The first number you read are these numbers right here, and we can see that there's a 4. So if you have a piece of paper, it's always good to write it down. It's going to be 0.4 because this is 0 to 1 inch. So 0.4. The second number we're going to count are going to be the little lines after the 4. Each little line equals 0.25. So we have 3 lines. It's going to be 0.075. The third number we're going to count is this one over here. So with this line right here, we have the one above 10, which is 11, that lines up. So it's going to be 0.011. The last and final number we will read is going to be these small numbers over here. You have to find which one lines up. And right here we have the one that lines straight over. So it's going to be 0.001. Now you're just going to add them all up. So that's going to be your final number right there. 0.4861. And that's how you read a micrometer. Now I'm going to show you how to check if your rotors are still good. So what you're going to want to do, for learning purposes, we have written the 1, 2, 3, and 4 with Sharpie. But you're going to want to measure the 4 corners. And I've already showed you how to read this. And the reading comes out to 0.8495. So basically we have already gone ahead and did this for all 4. And you can see on this piece of paper the numbers for all 4. From the highest number to the lowest number, the difference is 0.0035. We looked on the specs of the rotor, and it can't pass 0.004 as a difference. And since we're underneath that, this rotor is still good, but we're almost there, so you're going to have to change these rotors soon. And that's how you make sure if your rotor is still good or not. I'm going to tell you the different parts of the dial indicator. So let's start with the bezel. This is the bezel, the rotating part. Then we have the bezel clamp, so that way you don't lose what numbers you're on. Alright, we have the indicator, which is right in here. It's the black line. That's the indicator. Then you've got the small hand indicator. You've got the contact point, the spindle, which is this right here, and then the stem. And those are the parts of the dial indicator. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to use the dial indicator. First thing you're going to want to do is zero it out. By zeroing it out, what they mean is once you already have it set up, you can move the 0 around, like this and that. But we already have it zeroed out, right there. A little bit more to the side. Alright, and once you already have the setup, you have it zeroed out. Next thing you're going to want to do is just rotate the rotor. And you can see how high it goes. And right here it's going up to 11. And each little tab is going to be 0.001. So if it goes up 11, it's going to be 0.011. And what you're going to want to do is on the vehicle you're performing this test on, look at the specs to see if the rotor is still good or bad. And that's how you're going to use a dial indicator.